Welcome to this year's Christmas party lang po ito ng Team Force. Pero tingnan nyo naman ang gaganda nila ngayong gabi. Our theme is all about celebrating success and looking fabulous this holiday season. I'm Ricky and together with Rosie, we are your hosts for tonight.
Good evening, everyone!
I'm very happy to see everyone. Very snappy, very beautiful. Iba talaga pag naka-formal. Ano?
Kanino inspired yung suot mo ngayon bukod kay Ivana Alawi?
Wala ko, hindi ko alam.
Wala lang, hindi mo alam. But you look stunning and you are gorgeous tonight. Ayan, everyone, tingnan nyo naman, oh. Ang ganda siya. Oh, back, oh. She is beautiful. She is beautiful kasi last year, guys, wala siya dito. At tignan nyo naman, pinaghandaan. Do you guys agree na maganda si Ma'am Telma ngayong gabi? Ang gaganda ng taga-Galactic Force. Eto na ba yon? Guys, smile naman kayo dyan. Ang hirap naman pala nung may gwapo kang kaharap. Camera shy ka ba? Hi ka muna doon, oh. Ayan. Hi, Ma'am Alma. How are you tonight? Parang gusto ko yung mga kumikinang-kinang dyan sa ano mo. Ay, oh, ay, gusto ko yan, guys, oh. Sabi niya kanina, ayaw niya magpa-makeup. Oh my God, walang makeup, friend! Ang ganda mo. Guys, ang gwapo nitong katabi ko. Everyone, di ba ang gwapo ni Sir Jamie? Mas lalo siyang pinagpawisan.
Before we start with the festivities, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our dear directors and managers.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Unang-una, siyempre sa pangalan ng mga director natin, no? Ang buong director ng ating agency, pinapaabot po sa inyo ang pagbati ng Advance Merry Christmas. At siyempre, Happy New Year, of course, no? Thank you very much sa inyo lahat. Ingat po. Ingat po tayo, sobra. Ingat.
Dream, falling in the ocean of your arms. There is nothing we can't be. Even though the freedom of this love, and we crash in the wake of the sunset. Every dream comes alive in your heartbeat. We are lost in the waves of the moment. I feel so free.
Our grand prize winner for a look-alike contest, Miss Liza Mani Ash Krishna Gravide!
Chasing every starlit dream, falling in the ocean of your arms. There is nothing we can't be, even though the freedom of
Uwi tonight. Thank you.
this is what breathless feels like. I can
Hey, good evening, everyone. I hope everyone nag-enjoy ng party natin. So, my message siguro is, siguro, unang-una, magpasalamat tayo sa taas dahil nandito tayo ngayon. Dumating tayo ng safe at sana umuwi din tayo ng safe. Wala na akong mahingi. Thank you very much. Ingat po tayo parati. God bless us all.
Let it out, just feel it. Let it out, cry it all out to me. When
napakasaya ng gabing ito. Masaya kami. And I hope nag-enjoy din lahat ng nandito. And i-re-echo ko lang yung sinabi ni Manny na wala tayo rito kung wala yung mga guards natin. Let us serve our guards well para wala tayong complaints and they will stay with us for a long time. So yun lang mga kasama. Merry Christmas sa inyo lahat and mag-ingat tayo pag-uwi.
It's the way